Hello. For this tutorial, we're going to learn how to look up biodiversity occurrence data using the USGS database Biodiversity Information Serving Our Nation, or BISON. And what we're looking at is recorded observations of any species of flora or fauna in the United States that has some kind of data set associated with it. So this is the BISON homepage, and we want to go over to search. And we can search for a species based on scientific name or common name. And why don't we go with common name and try the bald eagle. Yep. So after we search, this is the map that we get, and we go over to layers. We can get a better idea of what we're looking at. Go to BISON layers. And so what BISON calls a heat map is actually mapping the abundance of observations within the database. And if we go over to the legend, we can look at what this map is actually telling us with the colors representing the number of observations, starting with solid yellow, which is the lowest, and moving all the way into a solid red, which is the highest amount. So for example, Washington and Florida, two of the states with the highest species occurrence of bald eagle within this database. And we can also look at a particular state. So we would go over, if we wanted Oregon, we'd click on Oregon. And you can see the number of occurrences. And then for more details, you want to go to show counties, which will bring us to a similar map for the state of Oregon. This is the same map here for the counties in Oregon. And then we can also go to a different layer here, and we can go to occurrence, which will show us each particular observation within the state. And the legend also will update itself, showing us what each dot means. Blue being an observation, green being a specimen. And we can also click on any particular observation within the state. So let's just try this one. And it will show you very basic information, the occurrence date and the provider and the resource. And you can also go to show details for a latitude and longitude, some more information about the species, and also a link to the provider. And at any particular time, you can also download the data by clicking on download here. And that is how you use the BISON database.